Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Okay? So, this is general love reading. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, nakaka-resonate, wag natin pilitin. Maybe next time, makuha naman natin yung energy mo. Okay, for Earth Sign, please. What do we have here for Earth sign? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you Spirit Guides, Angel Guides for Earth sign. Main energy is the Three of Bows and the Page of Arrows. Person mo, you do have here the Queen of Bows and the Knight of Vessels. Mutual energy, you do have here the Pole Star, the Pole Star. And so for what I can see here with the Three of Bows, I feel like nami-miss mo yung person mo, yung communication ninyo. Parang gusto mong makipag-communicate siya sa'yo. And pero okay lang, alam mo yun, yung parang nami-miss mo siya pero parang okay ka lang naman ngayon kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo. Parang nami-miss mo lang, or kumbaga yung iba sa inyo, nagtataka lang, no? Ba't kaya hindi nakikipag-usap tong taong to? Parang gano'n. Hindi naman miss na miss, pero parang yun nga, parang nag-iisip ka lang, ba't kamusta na kaya yun? Ano na kaya nangyari sa kanya? Ba't di siya nakikipag-communicate? You're wanting this Page of Arrows, so you want communication. Tapos yung person naman, we do have here the Queen of Bows and the Knight of Vessels. I'm feeling like umiiwas siya. The mirror is here. You could be dealing with your twin flame, your mirror souls. Ayan. Umiiwas siya kasi may hinihintay siyang umalis or lumayo bago siya magpakita. This is weird. Pero anyway, yun yung message doon. The pole star is here. I feel like yun nga, pareho kayo na naghahangad ng something dito sa connection na ito. Ikaw naghahangad ka ng communication mula sa kanya. Tapos siya naman, pwedeng naghahangad din siya ng something sa'yo. So, ano yung nasa isip? By the way, nakaamoy ako ng something na mapanghi. This could be a reading. Pwedeng kasalukuyan ka na sa CR or pwedeng may nagpapalit ng diaper, you know, ng bata, ganun. One last shuffle. Ano nasa isip ninyo dalawa na person na ito for Earth sign? You do have here the Journey and the Shaman. Nine of Stones and Ten of Stones. Ano nasa isip niya patungkol sa'yo? The Knight of Stones, Two of Stones, Nine of Arrows, and the Green Man. Mutual energy. Five of Bows. So, sa nakikita natin dito, ang nasa isip mo ngayon is that if you're dealing with your soulmate or your twin flame, parang nasa isip na, bahala ka dyan, tatapusin ko tong journey na to mag-isa, bahala ka dyan, parang ganun, parang kung ayaw mo, diwag, ako na lang, and then we do have here the shaman, so, you feel like hindi mo naman kailangan itong person na ito, and with the 9 of stones, pwedeng ang nasa isip mo may problema siya. And with the 10 of stones, so maybe willing kang intindihin or umalis sa isang sitwasyon or mag-get out sa comfort zone mo. Kung kailangan niya ng tulong, kung sasabihin niya lang yun. Parang gusto mo siyang maintindihan kung makikipag-connect or makikipag-communicate siya sa'yo. You're willing to understand itong person na ito. Yeah. And then, yung person mo nasa isip niya with the Knight of Stones and the Two of Stones. Meron siyang bagay, or maybe, I can see 2 people, na parang gusto niyang guluhin. Alam mo yan? Sana magulo to. Nakakakita ko ng distraction eh. Gusto niyang, magulo. For some of you, if you're in a connection with someone, and pwedeng aware siya dun sa connection mo dun sa taong yon. Gusto niya magkagulo kayo. Gusto niya alam mo yon, yung parang gusto niyang matapos kung ano man yung meron na sa inyo ng person na ito. We do have here the 9 of arrows. Pero nakikita niya napaka-challenging. Kasi pwedeng may mga bantay or may iba pang taong involved dito. Kumbaga kung kayong dalawa lang, walang problema. I feel like meron kang kakonect dito. Yeah, the way I see this is that ganun yung message, pero kung wala, okay lang. Gusto kanyang guluhin, pero kung walang ibang taong involved, madali. Pero kung meron, lalo na with the 9 of arrows, ito yung pinakamas nakikita niya. Parang medyo nangingilag din siya. And with the green man. Yeah, this is your person na parang manifesting you, pero hanggang pang ma-manifest lang muna sa ngayon. Kasi nga, may iba pang involved dito. Yun yung pinaka nasa isip niya, yung iba pang involved. And the 5 of Bows is here. This is the energy of gustong ilaban yung connection, pero ayaw mag-take ng actions, ayaw gumawa ng action. So, ano yung emotion mo and emotion ng person ito towards you? Okay, for your emotion, you do have here the 6 of Stones, 7 of Bows, and the 2 of Arrows, 4 of Arrows. Emotion niya para sa'yo, Ace of Arrows, 6 of Vessels, the Green Woman, and the Page of Vessels. Mutual energy. Yeah, you could be dealing with your twin flame. Andito yung balance sa bottom of the deck natin. Page of Stones is at the bottom of the deck, and meron pa isang card dito. 2 of Bows. Okay, sa emotion mo, I feel like alam mo yung parang ayaw mong mapahiya dito sa person na ito. Parang ganun. Ayaw mong mapahiya sa kanya. So, ayaw mong lumapit or mag-take ng actions kasi baka mamaya ang ending, yung pag-take mo ng actions, mabaliwala lang. So, ang ending, ayaw mong gumawa ng action kasi nga baka mapahiya ka lang sa huli. Alam mo yun? Baka hindi lang rin naman pansinin. Okay? And with the 7 of Bows, Yeah, I feel like nagko-concentrate ka ngayon sa sarili mo, sa mga kaya mo pang i-develop sa sarili mo. And there's a lot of passion dito na nararamdaman mo sa person mo. Kaya lang with the two of arrows, pwedeng nakapag-decide ka na with the four of arrows, kumbaga ipagpahinga na lang tong connection nito. Parang kung naniniwala ka sa connection niyo, bahala na muna siya ngayon. Basta wala akong gagawin regarding sa connection natin. Parang ganun. You're not taking any actions. Pareho kayo ng energy na balance is here. The Ace of Arrows, by the way, nakakamoy ako ng toasted bread. Gusto ka nito person ito lalo na with the Six of Vessels. Gusto niyo ng reunion. Six of Vessels, you see that there's a reunion. So, gusto niya ng reunion sa inyong dalawa. The Green Woman. With the Page of Vessels, alam mo yung gusto niya ng reunion pero naghihintay lang din siya sa'yo. Gusto niya ng reconciliation pero naghihintay lang din siya sa'yo. The Two of Bows and the Page of Stones, this is like your mutual energy. There's a full of passion. Can you see the fire there? Oh, napakainit napakainit ng pagkakagusto ninyo sa isa't isa. Pero nandun yung nag-iingat. Okay, sa connection na ito, nag-iingat. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? Nine of Bows and the Ancestor. One more card. Oh, there's too many. Hindi ko to kukunin. I just need one more card. Spirit guides, angel guides. For Earth sign. You do have here the Sun of Life. Para sa person mo, the Archer is here. Five of Vessels and one more card. The Forest Lovers. Mutual energy. Seven of Arrows. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Arrows. This is the Hawk. With the Nine of Bows, nakakita ko ng maraming tao ang re-respeto sa'yo in the near future. Dahil with the ancestors, respeto ka naman talaga, no? And because of that, you will be happy. May mga tao sa paligid mo na parang hindi mo akalain na magiging ganyan yung tingin nila sa'yo. So, medyo magiging mataas ang tingin ng mga taong ito sa'yo. Pagdating sa person mo, I can see this person taking actions with the Archer. Magta-take siya ng actions. And with the Five of Vessels, I feel like ikaw naman talaga yung target nito person ito Wala na siyang pakialam kung may mga ibang taong involved dito. This person will take actions. And with the Forest Lovers, ito yung gusto niya mangyari. Gusto niya ng relationship connection sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Parang hindi na kayo mapapaghiwalay Parang if this is a twin flame connection, ramdam niya yung connection din. Kaya magte-take talaga siya ng actions for you. And with the Seven of Arrows, magte-take siya ng action pero nandun pa rin yung insecurity. Okay, you do have here the insecurity. Diba? Ito yung pilit niya nilalabanan Pero in the near future, nakikita natin na ma-overcome niya yon, makakayanan niya labanan yung insecurities niya, ihaharapin niya yung insecurities niya, and then haharap siya sa'yo. Okay? Especially yung bottom of the deck natin is the Knight of Arrows and the King of Arrows. Those two cards is nagpapakita ng actions. Kasi gusto niya magkaroon ng Two of Vessels, which is relationship sa connection nito. Okay? Kahit pa may 3 of stones, which is nagpapakita naman ito ng third party situation, kahit pa may third party na involved dito. Okay? So anyway, take only what resonates. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo. Maraming salamat sa mga nanood. Sana mag-comment kayo sa baba. Thank you. I love you all again, and bye-bye.